It's an eviscerator. I swallowed my gizzards twice.
Chill, Potato. Look where it brought us. A 2020's Carnival. Check out the retro rides.
Wow! I always wanted to go to one of these, Frittata.
Yeah, me too. I can't wait to try out the roller coasters and the corn dogs.
Warning, warning! This carnival is powered by gasoline-powered combustion engines which emit toxic chemicals. The air here is not healthy for breathing. Cough, 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 coughing, coughing.
We need to fix this. I bet I can save more power than you.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Cannot.
Can't do.
Can't.
Can.
Can't.
Immediate decision required. Remember, toxic air. Cough.
Challenge accepted.
Off you go. One for me.
This one's mine, Potato. Over and out.
Bam! Nighty-night lights.
I got this one.
Nope, I was here first.
You're going down. No! My goodness.
I win. Wow, that lady sure screams a lot.
I think we went a little too far.
Oh no, undo, undo, Control Z, Control Z.
Initiating reverse time undo protocol. The air quality here is not healthy for breathing.
Okay, we'll leave right after we see how many corn dogs we can eat.
But I can eat more than you can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Cannot.
Can.
Can't.
Can.
Can't.
I'll take mine with extra mustard. Hold the toxic air.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Cannot.
Can't do.
Can't.
Can.
Can't.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Can't.
Can.
Can't.
Can. Yes, I can.
Can't.